Hey everyone, Casey Watkins here. It is a beautiful and wonderful morning. I'm bringing to you EthereumFusion.club. I'll have a referral link if you want to join after I kind of walk you through it. Either way, do this at your own risk. I went into this with 1 Ethereum, so something I'm willing to lose into this one. Let's go through this real quick. So basically it's a fusion of gold, Ethereum gold, and black gold Ethereum. Currently 121 ETH in the contract. There's ETHs is the name of their tokens that they're using. 151,000 in the circulation so far. The contract value is worth 38 grand. Here's my tokens. Like I said, I put in 1 Ethereum, and now because people are starting to buy in, it's already up to $535. So I've almost doubled my money just because I got in here early. These are my div rewards already. It's 0.07 Ethereum. So like just for my rewards, I've got $22. And like I said, this has only been up, well, when I jumped in, there was 11 Ethereum in the contract. It is moving that fast. Right now, 1 Ethereum at 53 cents per token price gets you about 1,200. You can sell your tokens at any point. There is a, obviously, 10% dividend payout for holders of the coin for every time you buy and then when you sell. They do have a referral program. They don't say anything about what you get from it. So I will be putting my link in the description, so I don't know what that's going to do for me actually. So, and they do have how it works and some FAQs if you want to go through those. I just jumped in mainly because I was told it was going to be good. So I've missed Ethereum gold and black gold ETH. I figured it was worth the risk for me to jump in this. They do have a link to their contract right here. So if you want to view the contract, you can actually check it out. You can go through the whole thing right here if you want. I have not went through this one yet, but I will later today. I just wanted to jump in before as many people as I could. So, like somebody just spent 10 ETH on 5,600 tokens. So I'm up to $26 already, and my value's almost doubled since I've been in. So y'all can do what you want. There's another 4.5 ETH. So I don't know about y'all, but this is one I'm willing to risk it for, at least for a couple days, kind of see how it goes. Y'all have a wonderful day. If you want in, link will be below. Make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So you'll have a great day. I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.